In this video, I'm drawing some new characters for a comic. You're watching Studio Brush Pen. Why are there biscuit crumbs in my shoe? I've been thinking about writing a short comic, so today I'm trying out an idea for my new characters. In previous videos, I've talked about different ways of approaching character design, and I'm going to use some of those techniques here. My characters are a faun and a yeti who host a cooking show. Let's see what happens. So that's my faun and yeti chef. This is only the first time I've drawn them like this, so the designs may change as I develop the idea. You're watching Studio Brush Pen.